Welcome to our guide on earning money online with affiliate marketing. If you're interested in making money online but don't know where to start, affiliate marketing is a great option to consider. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know to start making money as an affiliate marketer. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a type of online marketing where you promote other people's products or services and earn a commission for every sale you generate. It's a win-win situation for both the affiliate and the product owner. The product owner gets exposure and sales, while the affiliate earns a commission without having to create their own product. How does affiliate marketing work? Here's a simple example of how affiliate marketing works. Let's say you're an affiliate for a fitness company that sells protein powder. You sign up to become an affiliate for their program and get a unique affiliate link. You then promote their protein powder through your website, blog, social media, or other channels using your affiliate link. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's that simple. How to get started with affiliate marketing. Choose a niche. The first step to becoming a successful affiliate marketer is to choose a niche. A niche is a specific topic or industry that you're interested in and has high demand. You can use keyword research tools to find popular topics. For example, if you're interested in fitness, you could choose a niche within the fitness industry, such as weight loss or muscle building. Join an affiliate program. Once you've chosen a niche, the next step is to find an affiliate program that offers products or services in that niche. Some popular affiliate programs include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale. When choosing an affiliate program, it's important to look for programs that offer high-quality products or services that align with your niche. You should also look for programs that offer competitive commissions and have a good reputation. Promote the products. Once you've joined an affiliate program, the next step is to promote the products. You can promote the products through your website, blog, social media, or other channels. It's important to create valuable content that educates and informs your audience about the products. Don't just promote the products blindly. Instead, provide your audience with helpful information about the products and why they should consider buying them. Track your results. To be successful as an affiliate marketer, you need to track your results. You should use analytics tools to track your clicks, sales, and commissions. This will allow you to analyze your data and optimize your campaigns to improve your results. Conclusion: affiliate marketing is a great way to make money online. It's easy to get started, and you don't need a lot of technical skills or investment. By following these tips, you can become a successful affiliate marketer and earn a passive income online. Remember, success in affiliate marketing takes time and effort. You won't make money overnight, but if you're consistent and put in the work, you can build a successful affiliate marketing business that generates passive income for years to come. So, what are you waiting for? Start your affiliate marketing journey today and take the first step towards financial freedom. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on online money making. Thanks for watching.